In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your Google Drive. This is an essential task that many of us overlook, yet it can really help you stay organized and ensure you're not holding on to unnecessary files that clutter your digital workspace. So let's dive right in and get your Google Drive neat and tidy. First things first, you'll want to go to Google Drive and sign in if you haven't already. Simply open your web browser, search for Google Drive Sign In, and click the link. Once you've signed into your account, you'll land on the home screen of Google Drive where all your files are stored. Now, one of the quickest ways to make a significant impact is to review and manage bulk files. Once you're in your My Drive, an efficient approach is to select multiple files at once. You can do this easily by holding down the Ctrl key on your keyboard. As you press Ctrl, click on each file you want to select. This method allows you to choose several files simultaneously without missing any. With your files selected, the next step is to right-click on any of the highlighted files. This will bring up a contextual menu. Once the menu appears, look for the option that says Move to Trash. Clicking this option will move the selected files to the trash, effectively archiving them away from your main view. Don't worry, you haven't deleted them permanently yet. They're just temporarily moved to give you some immediate breathing room in your drive. Now let's navigate over to the trash. You'll find the trash icon on the left panel of Google Drive. Click on it to open the trash bin where all your removed files are now stored. This is your last chance to review and ensure everything here is indeed meant to be discarded. Ready to do a final cleanup? In the trash view, look to the top right corner where you'll find an option to Empty Trash. Clicking this will permanently delete all the files you've moved to the trash. It's an important step because until the trash is emptied, those files still occupy storage space in your drive. Bear in mind that this action cannot be undone, so be absolutely certain before you empty it. And there you have it, a clean, decluttered Google Drive in just a few simple steps. Taking a few moments every now and then to maintain order can really boost your productivity and provide a more organized workspace. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on managing your digital life efficiently.